Gjenta koordinater, retning 040. Vinden øker.
Faen. Det kan ikke være sant.
This is Warlord Actual. We are stranded at the rendezvous point. Blizzard conditions approaching. Over.
I am looking at it right now. The discovery is real. This changes everything. Send a team, we must secure this site immediately.
An M939A2, you are sure? Yes, this is perfect. Finally, a real engine to work on. Send the location, I am coming now.
Understood, Magnus.
The historical systems present a challenge, but I will integrate the solution.
Vent, sa du 425? Arctic Ops? Er det virkelig dem?
Ja, det er det.
Hvor er vraket nå? Vi må se på det umiddelbart.
The blizzard is worsening. Watch out for ice near the ridge.
Copy that. Maintaining speed. Visibility is dropping fast. We need to expedite extraction. Copy that. Approaching the rendezvous point from the south. Expect high winds on final. I'm 5 clicks out, pushing the engine hard.
All right, team, this is the truck we're assessing. Dimitri, check the drivetrain. Sarah, electrics.
For Sergeant Anderson, for the 425th, for Iron Partner Tate, we bring him home.
Pudnat, engage the main winch. Tension coming up now, steady. Watch the ice, it's cracking near the trailer.
Все, работает. Теперь пойдет.
Vær forsiktig der. Mer damp på venstre side. Vi må se det merket. I hit something. Look at this. Wait, let me see that. 425th Arctic Ops. This changes everything.
My dearest family, if you are reading this, it means I didn't make it home. Know that my last thoughts were of you.
Give me everything you've got on that winch. Tension is at maximum cap. Ice is breaking. Steady, steady! She's coming loose! Hurrah! Она поехала!
Status report on the M939A2 chassis. Lift hydraulics are engaged. We're ready for the undercarriage inspection.
We start with these engine mounts, section 4B.
Yep.
Careful with the harness routing here, it splits at the firewall. And these panels are spot welded, so we follow the diagrams exactly.
Okay, pull that fender clear. Careful, it's heavily scored but salvageable. Move it to the preservation rack, then start on the access panel behind it.
Поднимаем. Медленно, держите равновесие. Проверьте задние крепления.
Clear the left side. Watch the cables on the right. She's swinging free now. Bring her up.
We need more clearance on the hydraulics. Raise it up. Torches are active, keep the area clear. Check the voltage regulator on the bench.
Зазоры в норме. Да, этот блок еще послужит, можно восстанавливать.
Precision is perfect. We have successfully restored it to factory specifications. It will perform better than new.
All right, team, easy lift on the engine block. Watch the clearance on station 3.
It's working. We have a signal.
Точность сборки превышает заводские стандарты. Мы проверяем каждый подшипник и затягиваем все до спецификации.
Ja, mye skader her. Rust og bulker. Men jeg ser det allerede. Arktisk hvit med et hint av isblått.
Months of research went into this specific ratio. The Glacier Blue Pearl additives give us the exact hue we need while enhancing the protective qualities of the paint.
Nesten. Perleinnholdet er bra, men vi må justere metallflakene litt til. Det må fange det arktiske lyset.
The Glacier Blue really pops against the Arctic white. The contrast is exactly what we wanted for the ice formation look.
Okay, bring her down. Slowly, slowly.
Systems check green. We are good to go.
Perfect fit. This is it, team. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Oh. Clear on this side. Millimeter to the right. Perfect.
Systems online. All circuits responding.
Aligning the shaft now. Clear on this side. Connections are secure, ready for pressure test. Pressure stabilizing. She's alive. Excellent work, Dmitry. Sergeant Anderson's final entry confirmed. It's time. Engine parameters stable. Electrical systems online. Ready when you are, Magnus.
She runs. Oh my God, she runs! We did it, partner. We actually did it. We finally did it. She's ready.
The Iron Partner lives again.
You kept your promise. The 425th is home.
Iron Partner stands here not just as metal, but as a monument to the bravery of the 425th. We remember their sacrifice in these impossible conditions.
On behalf of a grateful nation, we recognize Sergeant Anderson's sacrifice with this Arctic Service Medal. Hydraulics are green, Tommy, and the auxiliary power engages right here. Good. Let's see what she can do. Your dedication brought this masterpiece back to life. I couldn't be prouder of the Arctic Steel Battalion.